Hey, welcome. My name's Big Mac. I'm one of Circuit Rider's avatars in 3D Harbor. If you don't know what 3D Harbor is, it's a virtual space. Go to 3dharbor.com. Download the simple software. There's a lot of great rooms and friends to be made over here. But right now, this is an instructional video for you 3D builders that would like to learn about true space and build an object using one square or one sphere. I call it one cube objects. Watch the video. I hope it helps you. Thanks. Bye. Okay, real quickly, we're going to show you how to build a one cube object here. We're going to place a cube in the middle of the grid. Bam, there it is. And we're going to kind of shrink it to size here. Grab the right handle, bring it down to about a board thickness, just like that. And we're going to elongate it. We're going to make it long like that. We're going to right click on this and left click until it's blue all the way around. Then we're going to hit quad divide. Now quad divide is found 3 squares over, up 1, and over 3, and that's going to be quad divide right there. And then we're going to quad divide it once, twice, 3 times to get the size that we want. Okay, we're going to click on this corner and use our sweep tool over. Our sweep tool is found about 5 rows over from the left and straight up at the top. That'll be your sweep tool. You notice when you hit that sweep tool, it pops up once. Well, we're going to put right over here in the object info box and the Z zone, we're going to put a 2. And that's going to pop that leg on up there. See there? We could drag it up there if we wanted to, but to make them all even, we're going to use the object info box. And we're going to hit our sweep tool, put a 2 in the object info box on the Z axis. There you go. Alright, let's get over here and do these other ones the same way real quick while the video is running. They just give me so much time to do this on YouTube. So there that is. We're going to put a 2 in here. That's why you hear me talking fast. That's a W. That's a Q. There's a 2. Alright, one more time. One more time. Highlight that area. Hit your sweep tool. Put a 2 in the object info box. Now, if you've already watched my other 2 videos, you kind of know where those tools are anyway. So, alright. This is the widget. Remember we talked about the widget, and this is what we're going to use to flip this thing back over. I get the right one. There it is. Alright, we got that much done. There that is. Now, if you prefer a different shape leg, you could always click on this down here and move it in. Move it in like that on all of them. Get a hold of the right handle and just move it in like that. And then you get a different shape. You'll see a lot of your piano benches, some of your sewing machine cabinets and stuff will have those shaped legs just like that right there. Makes a good coffee table, you name it. Alright, so we did a little bit something different with the legs there. Okay, now we're going to do something with the top. There we go. Highlight the top just like we did the bottom. We're going to quad divide it just like we did the bottom one. We're going to click in this back corner, hit our sweep tool, and we're going to make that about a 4. We're going to do the same thing over back here. Sometimes you got to click that arrow over there to reset this thing. Alright, we're going to put another 4 right there. Uh-oh, something happened there. Undo that. That's what I love about the undo button. If something happens, you get something that you don't need to be taking place, and you can undo it. Find out what's going on there. Hit the sweep tool, and then put a 4 in there. Alright, now we got the same thing as we got on the other side. Now we're going to zoom in here so you can see what I'm going to do here. I'm going to zoom in real close. I'm going to quad divide this. I'm going to quad divide it. That's probably enough. I'm going to hit that right there. Hit my sweep tool. Catch the next one down here on the bottom. Hit my sweep tool. Now watch this. I'm going to grab that by the middle handle and drag it right over to this face right here. Same thing with the top one there. One thing about a video, if you don't get it the first time, you can come back and watch it. And watch where my mouse is going if I don't. Undo that. Let me get in here closer. I can see what I'm doing. Make sure you highlight the whole face. And then grab it and drag it over. Alright, there's your basic park bench right there. Here's your basic little park bench there. Now you can come in here and you could quad divide this area here if you want to come out of there with a couple of arms. Yep, on both sides like that. You can come out with a couple of arms on your park bench. Now let me show you one I've got in the cooler. Or if this was a cooking show, I'd pull it out of the oven. And one that I've already got completely done. And alright, let me bring it over to the 0. Bring it to the middle of my grid here so you can see it. And there she is. She looks a little green there, so we're going to lighten it up. There you go. There's the finished product, and I hope you have fun building objects. You could tell by using that technique that you could build many objects. I'll be showing you a few more in videos to come. Thank you. I hope I helped you.